In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage and clear out unwanted files from your Google Drive. First, we'll kick things off by heading over to Google Drive. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your list of files and folders. It's always a good idea to double check you're in the right account, especially if you have multiple Google profiles. Let's get down to business by selecting the files you want to remove. You'll start by clicking on the very first file. After that, there's a neat shortcut to make your selection process much faster. If you're using a Windows computer, simply press Ctrl and A together. On a Mac, you'll use CMD and A. This command swiftly highlights all visible documents for you, saving you the hassle of clicking each one individually. Watch how all your target files are now nicely selected, ready for the next step. With your files all selected, right-click your mouse to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, go ahead and select the Remove option. This is your cue to start cleaning up. Think of this part as the initial filtering process. We're organizing before executing the final trash action. It's a useful approach to clear out clutter. Once you've hit remove, these files will now transfer to your trash folder, but they're not deleted yet. If you prefer an even quicker way to transition files to trash, you can press the delete key on your keyboard. It's another handy tip to speed things along, especially when you're dealing with a larger number of files. Now, let's move over to the trash section. You'll find this on the left sidebar of your Google Drive interface. Clicking on trash unveils all the files that you've moved there. This is a great moment to double check and ensure that you're okay with losing these documents for good, because once deleted, they're gone forever. Now we're moving to seal the deal. Look towards the top right of your trash page and you'll see the option to empty trash. Give that a click. This action will permanently erase the files from your Google Drive. A small prompt will pop up asking for confirmation. Click on Delete Forever. To finalize this process, remember to confirm your choice only if you are absolutely certain about removing these files. Once confirmed, all those selected documents are permanently out of your digital life, and there you have it. You've streamlined your Google Drive by removing unwanted files, making space for future creativity or important work storage. Thanks for following along with this Google Drive cleanup guide. By keeping your storage organized,